Hi everyone and welcome back to your English classroom. Okay, so today in the classroom we're going to be focusing on present simple tense. Okay, so one thing you need to know is that it can be said present simple or simple present, but it's pretty much the same thing. The most important thing you need to know is that it's the base form of the verb, which means nothing's added on the end of it. So for example, if we take work, nothing added on the end, live, eat, and study, all of these are present simple verbs. Okay, but how do we identify the present simple? Well, first and foremost, it has to be a fact. If it's a fact, then it's definitely going to be present simple tense. For example, if I say I live in London, this is a fact, so therefore it's present simple tense. If a person says I am a teacher, which I am, that means it's a fact. We can also say I'm a teacher, just to add to that extra fluency. We can also say I love pasta. This is something you love. Therefore, it would be classed as present simple tense. And lastly, the earth is round. This is a fact, and this would be present simple tense. Okay, so how do we identify it a second time? Well, it has to be a routine. If it's a routine, then it's present simple tense. So for example, if I say I go to the library every week, this is something you do continuously every week, therefore it's present simple tense. Also, if I said he never goes to the gym, it's something he never does, period, which means that is present simple tense. And also, I read on the train sometimes, something you do often, present simple tense. Okay, so how do we ask the question in the present simple tense? Especially using do and does, where, why, or what. So for example, if I say, where do you live? Where does she live? Okay, so notice you have the do with you and the does with she, third person. We can also say, what does he like to eat? And why does she do that? Remember, the does goes with he, third person, and she, third person. So this is a present simple tense question. Okay, what about who? Okay, so who likes to play football? Present simple tense question. Additionally, we can also say, who watches tennis? This is a present simple question. Additionally, we can say, who gets the train to work? Present simple, anytime, an action that can happen anytime. And also, who likes shopping? Something you like, remember, present simple tense. Okay, so do we have an answer to those questions? Okay, we've got one. All right, so who has the answer? We'll be focusing on do and don't with these answers. So where should we start? I don't live there anymore. I don't watch football, and I don't like pasta. All of these are don'ts, and they are present simple answers in the negative. Okay, we can also say, I do like shopping. This is a positive, present simple positive answer. Or you can also say, I like shopping, just for that extra fluency. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.